Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for updates, and I hope you all have been resonating with the readings. Do let me know when you go through the readings and let me know what is the changes it brought in your life. It actually encourages me and makes me happy when I read so many feedbacks over there. So let's see what are the cards in store today. Okay, I have taken out two cards together. Uriel, which is trust. Shemel, beginnings. So it's a day of beginnings and trust. I feel Shamel is saying that, I am there to assist you for your new beginnings. I am there to help you in order to start where you want to start your life, and in order to break the old patterns and come out with new patterns. See, if you see here, I see that the beautiful energies of the stars, and there's a person who's walking, and the way they are walking, the stars are there in their path. So today, Shamel is there to help you, guide you, and take you forward in life. Actually, I remember when I was reading the booklet of this card, I think it had said that to do the Gayatri mantra, Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha. So today morning, start your day with the Gayatri mantra, and I'm sure that the angel is going to help you, and the angel is going to make you be successful in your new beginnings. Now, coming to Uriel for trust, basically have trust. When I had read the book Secret, I had just learnt the thing years back that you ask the universe, you believe in it, and you be ready to accept it. The same way, when I'm seeing this card, it just says that the beginnings are coming, but you need to have the faith. You need to have the hope that yes, it is going to happen and it is going to come in your favor. So trust in the universe, trust in the angels, trust in the divine, trust in the white light, that all the things are going to become beautiful and it is going to come the way you want. Today the color is going to be white because you need a lot of clarity as to what next and how it is going to be. I have already said start your day with the Gayatri mantra. Today, if possible, do the Kuber Mudra in the evening after 6 o'clock. You can Google, you will get Kuber Mudra for abundance to come on your way, and also for your wishes to come true. And if possible, make some sweet or buy some sweet from outside, keep it in your puja room, and then you can have it with your family. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.